Alcohols are the hydroxy derivatives of alkanes. Alcohols, these are hydroxy derivatives of alkanes. These having functional group is OH, that is ROH. General formula for alcohols is CnH2n plus 1 OH. Here first member N value I am taking 1, we get CH3 OH. This we are called as methyl alcohol. IUPAC name is methanol. 2 I am keeping here, C2H5OH. This we are called as ethyl alcohol. Its IUPAC name is ethanol. N value 3 I am taking, C3H7OH. This we are called as propyl alcohol. IUPAC name is propanol. CH3, CH3, CHOH. This we are called as isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Its IUPAC name is propane 2-ol. Simply we are called as 2-propanol. That means at a second carbon we have OH group. See, these are common names. These are IUPAC names of these compounds. Next, here structure, branched structural formula for ethyl alcohol. Structure of C2H5OH. This we are called as ethanol. It is written as CH3 CHHOH. Its condensed formula is CH3 CH2OH. This is structure of ethanol or ethyl alcohol. Preparation of ethyl alcohol. Preparation of ethyl alcohol. See, ethyl alcohol formula C2H5OH. This is. In laboratory, we can obtain ethyl alcohol from hydrolysis of alkyl halides. See, first one is, it is laboratory method, hydrolysis of alkyl halide gives alcohol. Now I am taking C2H5Br, ethyl bromide. It is treated with sodium hydroxide aqueous. We get C2H5OH plus sodium bromide. This we are called as ethyl alcohol or ethanol. This is ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide treated with aqueous sodium hydroxide gives ethyl alcohol. This is we are called as ethanol or ethyl alcohol. Now I am taking ethyl chloride also, C2H5Cl. This we are called as ethyl chloride treated with sodium hydroxide, aqueous sodium hydroxide. We get here C2H5OH plus sodium chloride. This is called ethanol. So first one is preparation of alcohol from alkyl halide by hydrolysis reaction. Second one is hydration of alkenes gives alcohols. Hydration of alkenes. Here we have two reactions. One is ethene. We are taking CH2 double bond CH2. It is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid. On heating at 30 atmospheres pressure, high pressure, we get CH3, CH2, HSO4, ethyl hydrogen sulfate. This we are called as ethyl hydrogen sulfate. This ethyl hydrogen sulfate is treated with steam. We get ethanol. See, CH3, CH2, HSO4 is treated with steam. We get CH3, CH2, OH and H2SO4. This is called ethanol or ethyl alcohol. This is hydration reaction, addition of water it is. See, next one is in this second case we have, that is acidic hydrolysis of alkene, that is ethylene. We are taking CH2 double bond CH2. This is ethene. Upon hydrolysis, in presence of acidic medium, we get CH3 CH2 OH. This is ethanol. Acidic hydrolysis of ethylene gives ethanol. Now third method from molasses. From molasses, molasses containing sucrose. Sucrose is converting into glucose and fructose by some enzyme, that is invertase enzyme converting sucrose into glucose and fructose. That glucose is converting into ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide by gymase. These two enzymes are coming from yeast. Here, that is, here we are using from fermentation, we are using from fermentation. In this, in fermentation, molasses containing sucrose, sucrose formula C12H22O11, it is treated with water, this is sucrose, in presence of invertase. This is converting into glucose, C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. This we are called as glucose. This is fructose. Again, glucose is converting into ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH, and 2 moles of carbon dioxide is released. It is the byproduct. Here this is ethanol or ethyl alcohol. Here enzyme is gymase. Gymase converts glucose into ethanol and carbon dioxide. So from fermentation reaction we get ethanol. In that molasses we are using molasses containing sucrose. Sucrose is decomposed by invertase to give glucose and fructose, and glucose further is converting into ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. These two enzymes are coming from yeast. This is about preparation of alcohols, that is ethyl alcohol. Now, physical properties. It is highly inflammable liquid. It is toxic in nature. It is soluble in water. Its boiling point is 78 degrees Celsius. It is a good solvent for fats and oils. Its density is 0.789 grams per cc at 20 degrees Celsius. These are the physical properties of ethyl alcohol.